Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today we're here with the $250 Ford Expedition, and we're going to talk about the plans for the vehicle. Now, all the videos I've had with this, I've kind of mentioned this or that. I decided, hey, let's just combine everything. Let's go over this vehicle real quickly and tell you what the plan is. Overall plan, we're going to resell it. Now, my dad bought this on the cheap as a flip vehicle, but he wants to sell the Jeep. So he wanted to get rid of the Jeep, maybe keep this for a year, because when he drove it, he loved it. This vehicle is super comfortable, but being $250, it does have problems. Now, we have done some work to it. There's still more work to do, so let's go over everything. All right, so basically the big thing this vehicle needs is a really detailed clean. Now, I'm just a novice. I told you guys many times, yes, I can wash a car, but to actually sit here and polish the vehicle, take a clay bar to it, that's a little bit out of my wheelhouse. What I'd really like to do is have a detail place that would let me film and go over the whole process with real professionals to show you guys how you can turn a kind of faded old paint job into something brand new again. Maybe we'll just do a cleanup myself and just give it a good try, because this is $250. But once again, it'd be cool to have the professionals do it and do it properly. The hood is aluminum, so that's why there's a little paint fade in the front. We're not going to worry about stuff like that, guys. If we can just clean this vehicle up, fix some of the problems, this can bring in some decent money. Because remember, $250. My dad had to fix brakes. That was a couple $100. So for under $500 right now, it runs, it drives, it's very comfortable. You can see the front bumper here. It's all beat up and broken. You could go to a junkyard, get a replacement. We're not going to deal with that. I might try to straighten it up a little bit, put a little glue on the back and kind of fix up a little bit. We're not going to worry about expensive things like that. Let's go into the interior. So before we get into the interior, when all the doors are closed, the vehicle actually looks pretty nice, but it has a lot of rust. It lived most of its life on a dirt road. So when I open the door, one of the first things we fixed for free was the power running boards. These things, they get ruined all the time, especially on older vehicles. The mechanisms get real dirty, you have to clean them out, lube them up. If you're lucky, they don't burn the motors out. Most of them are smart enough to know, hey, if they're having friction, they just kind of stop themselves without burning out the motor. We got those working for free. We had WD-40, just a little spray here and there, move it up and down. You guys can see all the rust. The front's rusty, the rockers are basically gone. So what I want to do is take the rust preventive spray. Just take a little sandpaper, get some of the scaling off, and spray that stuff. A little fix it up real nice. Just get regular white spray paint, something that kind of matches a little bit, and just spray the bottom. As long as the rust isn't visible, stop it from spreading anymore. I think that will look good, especially when the rest of the vehicle is nice and detailed. But the seats itself, everything looks really nice on the interior, except for the driver's seat. You can see there's ripping on the side. Other problems are electrical gremlins. These have some problems here or there when they get older. Basically, the heated seats don't work. It's a ground that goes bad under the seats. That's an easy fix. We can just remove the seats, fix that ground up, get heated seats again. The air conditioning stopped working, which kind of sucks. The blend doors have a problem, so every time we start the vehicle, you can hear them shaking around. We'll see if we can try to fix that for free. Maybe it's just something stuck in there. Maybe you gotta spend a little bit of money to replace those blend doors. Other things is, well, if we can get the AC working for free, maybe it just needs to charge. That'd be awesome. You don't want to get a whole new AC system. That's a lot of money. And once again, we're trying to do this on a budget so we can resell the vehicle. Four-wheel drive system is acting a little wonky. We don't know if it works. That would be a big seller if we can get that to work. We'd have to see how much that'd be to fix. We don't know exactly what's wrong, but we'll look into that in the future. The nav system. It is an old nav system, but it actually works pretty good. The overall dash, like I said, is in really good shape. If it's nice and clean, it'll be a nice little seller for somebody. All right, guys, I'm going handheld mode. So you can see, like I said, the front's aluminum, so you get the peeling of the paint and stuff like that. There's a crack in the bumper, which is actually pretty bad, but we're not going to worry about that. We'll try to fix it if we can. Coming to the side when I open the running board, you can see the running board itself has some paint that's there. You can see the rockers are shot. The rocker doesn't even exist, but coming in the back, you can see the rust there. You can see the rust there. Like I said, we'll go and spray that down, fix up a little bit. But this does have a third row. We've been using it for storage, moving mulch around, stuff like that. But these seats are in really good shape, guys. They look really good. You got the old school entertainment system up there with the little screens. You can play DVDs and stuff like that. Like I said, there's the rip in the seat. Everything else is very clean. I love the way these old vehicles look, and this thing rides so good, guys. Just clean this thing up, fixing some problems, the blower motor, the AC, the heated seats, just little things as much as we can. Make it work good. Replace the window in the back, or not the window I should say, but the wiper for the window in the back. It's on the fritz a little bit, that's a quick fix. Need to clean this thing up though. All right guys, so that's a $250 Ford Expedition. We want to flip it, we want to make some money, but it has its problems. If this vehicle is really cleaned up, I think it would help when you go to sell the vehicle, and like I talked about stuff on the interior. The air conditioning doesn't work. Maybe it just needs a little pump of some Freon and make it work again. Maybe the heated seats, just lift those seats up, fix them, make that ground work again, get the heated seats to work again. As many things as we can fix on the cheap or for free as possible would go a long way to making the most money we can with this vehicle. Hopefully we'll do some more videos on it. The rear wiper needs to get fixed. That's an easy thing to do. Maybe that'd be a nice little quick video for you guys. But we'll make a few little quick videos fixing this thing up and then selling it for as much money as possible. That's all I have for you today. I thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, just like this big old V8 and EVs, a little bit of everything. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.